What's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video I'm going to give you two coins under 5 cents that are mega bullish on the longer term. Projects are solid, got great fundamentals and good backing, good investment, and yeah, these projects are building. So we'll get into that, but if we just take a look at the market as a whole first. So versus yesterday, obviously yesterday was a disaster with FTX going down and you know the whole Binance buyout thing. But at the moment, you know the market's kind of recovered, up 7.4%, trading at 919 billion. But realistically, for me, I'm still not going in with a great deal of cash at the moment. I'm literally, just DCAing into projects that I'm interested in and kind of building my bags that way. So yeah, not really going in too hard. But yeah, the market is showing a bit of a recovery. CPI numbers came out today and they were better than expected. So yeah, it looks like we're just kind of bouncing off the back end of that. I still think we're probably ending up going down again. So yeah, I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines at the moment and just waiting to see how the next few days really play out. But yeah, market is up 7.4%, Bitcoin's up 2.3%, back around 17 grand. ETH back around 1.2k, so up 6.3%. And some of these other tokens, Polygon is up 29%, Solana is up 16%. So some have had some big movements, but that's not to forget that yesterday they had some big down movements as well. So yeah, market seems to be looking okay-ish at the moment. If we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, so obviously after yesterday, yeah, there's no doubt that there's going to be extreme fear in the market. But generally, as I kind of say, when there's extreme fear in the market, when there's blood on the streets, that's when you want to be buying. And when there's extreme greed in the market, that's the time that you want to be selling. And literally, if you was just to deploy that tactic throughout your trading career, you'll end up making a lot of money just based on that. So the two coins that I wanted to talk to you about is literally Gala and Casper. If we take a look at both of them, so Gala first. So Gala is up 14.2% in the last 24 hours, and it's trading at 3 cents. And obviously, I've touched on Gala quite a few times now in previous videos, and I'm mega bullish on Gala. It's just based on what they've got building. They've got their Gala games, got their Gala music. They've got new artists coming along to their music side of the business. They've also got their film nodes as well. And yeah, they constantly keep building. They also now have their own blockchain as well. So, it looks like they might be able to run some of their games straight off their blockchain and literally just be a complete system from start to finish. So yeah, for me, I'm mega bullish on Gala in the longer term. I know these prices at the moment are very cheap, hence the reason why I'm kind of DCAing at the moment. I still think they might drop down lower, depending on which way the market moves in the next few days. But even still, at 3 cents, you can't really go wrong. So, I'm putting a little bit of money aside into Gala, DCAing, because longer term I'm bullish. So that's the kind of first coin there. And that is down 96% off all-time high. So yeah, literally you're getting it at a 96% discount. So it's probably a great time to at least DCA and consider, putting a little bit of money in. And the other coin that I wanted to look at was well, actually just before that, if we take a look at the Gala chart, so I'm looking at this on the 4-hourly. So on the 4-hourly, the price is currently trading at 3 cents, as we just kind of said, but the MACD has kind of shifted, which is showing a fairly favourable movement in the market just at the moment. Obviously, I'm only looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, but the Bollinger Bands, we're literally trading. We traded off the Bollinger Band and we're kind of headed up towards the 50 EMA level now. And then potentially we could go up to the upper end of the band, which is around still 3 cents, but 0.038 rather than 0.031. So still a bit of a move upwards that we can make before potentially dropping down again. If we look at that as a percentage increase, so from there to to about there. So it's a 15% increase that potentially could happen, and trading, and then obviously bouncing off the upper end of the Bollinger Band. Although we may end up bouncing into either the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA as a level of resistance, and then bouncing back down from there. But still, at the moment the MACD is looking good, and the wicks are kind of moving upwards on the 4 hourly. So that's Gala. The other coin that I wanted to talk to you guys about was Casper. So Casper is another project that I'm mega bullish on. I've made a video on this as well before, and currently they're also trading at 3 cents. And in terms of the discount at the moment, you're getting it 97% discount. So all-time high was $1.33, and these guys are building, and they've got solid partnerships. They're already being used by real life enterprises. They're running that Casper technology within their businesses. It's pretty unique. It's a layer 1 blockchain, and it's a blockchain that allows you to implement smart contracts and make changes to those smart contracts as well. And I don't really think I've seen that on any other projects at the moment, or at least I haven't come across anything like that yet. So I'm mega bullish on Casper in the long term. Initially, when the project came out, there was a lot of hype around it, and it's a top 100 coin. So I'm bullish on this as well. So again, dabbling, putting a little bit of money aside, DCAing at the moment. Again, if the whole market falls, this price could drop lower, but you can't really go wrong at 3 cents. If we take a look at the Casper chart, so if I just load that up, again on the 4 hourly, just kind of edging towards that move on the MACD where you get the crossover. At the moment, we're kind of still showing a bit of a bearish momentum. Until we get that crossover there, we will probably end up moving up. So again, we bounced off the lower end of the Bollinger Band. We're probably going to end up moving up towards the again the 200 or the 50 EMA. So the 200 is the red EMA, and the 50 is the yellow. So we'll probably end up moving up towards those, or even the upper end of the band before potentially coming down again. But again, if we look at the increase that could be earned if we were to move towards the 50 EMA, that's a 7% increase. 200 EMA is 10%, and up end of the Bollinger Band is around 17%. So we could move in that direction, and then potentially make a move down after that. But again, it really depends on the market, how the market plays out in the next few days. I know today it looks good, but then we're following a disastrous day yesterday. So yesterday was quite a bad day, and obviously, any kind of day would have looked better than yesterday. So hence the reason why we're seeing a green market at the moment. But like I said, I'll be safe rather than going in too aggressively with your money. Just putting a little bit of money in, but obviously investing into good projects. And Casper and Gala, for me especially, are decent projects. So and you're also getting them at 3 cents, which is mega cheap at the moment. So I don't really think you can go wrong there. But guys, give me your thoughts. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what your trading strategy is at the moment, if you're just completely exited the market or not, or if you're just kind of DCAing at the moment into solid projects with good fundamentals. Hit me up in the comments below, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.